Okay, so it is officially move-in day today. I'm so excited, but also a little nervous. So we actually got in yesterday and went straight to the storage unit to get all of our things from last year. And we just dropped everything off at my apartment. And so it's kind of just filled with a ton of boxes and a couple pieces of furniture that have already been built. So today's plan is just gonna be to kind of unpack and organize everything. I'm also living in an apartment this year with one of my best friends. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. So of course you guys are gonna come along with me for everything and I'll show you the whole process. So I guess if you want to see me move in, then just keep watching. Okay, we just got to the apartment. Okay, so let me show you guys an empty apartment tour. We have our kitchen over here. There's tons of boxes over here. There's some furniture right over here of things we built, and this is where the living room is gonna be. Then we have a laundry machine in there, bathroom in here. I'll show you guys that better like later on. There's tons of things in here. And then here's the bedroom. So we have a ton to get done and just to unpack and organize everything, where all the boxes are gonna go and which room they should be in. So let's do this. We got so much stuff. This is so nice. It's so soft. Love this. Okay, so now we're gonna lay out the carpet for the living room. Guys, how amazing is this rug? I love this. Also guys, here are our kitchen bar stools. I think they're really, really cool. I love how they have this nice gray velvet too. So we just set up the base. I think hopefully we can put one bed here and then another one here. That's what we're kind of thinking. Or maybe we'll just do one and one and the nightstand in the middle. I don't know, we'll figure it out. This is what they would look like if it was one and one. And then we'd put a nightstand there. Or, let me show you guys the other option. And then this is what the other option looks like. I think with this one, we just have more room to kind of like walk around. I don't know though. Okay, currently setting up the headboards now. Okay, so this is what the setup looks like right now. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap. Alright, so this is what the couch looks like. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, now I think we're gonna stuff the bean bags. So how cute are these storage bins? Love them. There's my name on it. Let's put this over here. And then we'll get Jaja's. She's stuck here.
Come on, seriously.
Currently getting more furniture delivered. I think this is the kitchen table, and then we have 2 more desks coming, and then I think also a desk chair. Oh, and a coffee table, yeah. Also, moving day is going great. Nails lasted a very long time. So they are helping me move all my stuff in, and his girlfriend watches my YouTube, and I love that. So say hi. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thanks guys. Currently setting this up.
See how this is? Remember I told you that you have to.
This is what the coffee table looks like. I think it looks really good. I think it ties in with all of that furniture too. Love it. It's also this marble countertop, which I really like. Thank you. Okay, now time to set up the...
Oh, maybe it is set up already.
Oh, is it already set up?
How nice would that be?
That'd be a score. This is gonna be, is it set up?
Yes.
This is what it looks like. And then I think we're gonna put the mirror on top. And maybe add like a couple.
Twinkly lights.
Yeah, twinkly lights. Super cute. So we got this marble countertop for the kitchen table, which is gonna go like right here, but it's cracked like right here. I don't know, yeah, you guys can tell. So now we have to go exchange that and get a new one. Let's set up the rest of the kitchen table.
You can set up the base.
Yeah, the base of it. And then we'll just get a new marble. Shout out to my mom for helping me build everything. Not do it without you. Okay, so we just built the table. Here's a little update of how it looks. Obviously, we still need to get the new piece of marble, so it's gonna look completely different, but this is kind of the setup for the kitchen. We just got back from Target and we got a bunch of just the necessary items. We got a couple of these jars for just like snacks, and then we also got hangers and light bulbs. We're gonna replace all these light bulbs that are already here with these brighter ones. What else do we get? Just some cleaning supplies, more of those jars, hangers and all that stuff.
Light bulb changing?
It's hot.
Careful. Lights, camera,
Oh my god.
action.
Okay. Better?
Much better.
Look at the difference.
Well, that's kind of natural. No, this is more bright.
Okay, so we also just picked up this lamp from Target. I think we're gonna put it probably like somewhere behind the couch or something. But we're gonna set this up right now. Put it right there.
I'd say where the bean bags are.
Let's try it out.
Your desk there.
Okay, so we just got the box that we shipped from home, which has a bunch of all, pretty much my things.
Here, put this on your shelf over there.
Oh yeah. Okay,
So cool.
I think we're gonna set up all the decorations now.
Let's start.
Maybe put this like here. And we also got this thing from Target, which I think would just be maybe cute on top of this. or something. We'll play around with it. Also, shout out to Amazon for my Fire TV stick and my TV. I'm gonna set this up in a little bit. I'm also gonna use these storage cubes that are on my Amazon storefront. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure to go check it out for some good college essentials. I will have it linked down below for you guys, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna either use these for my clothes or bathroom storage. So basically in our bathroom, we have all of these just empty shelves. So I put all of them here, and maybe I'll put some in the closet, but I'm thinking this looks really nice. And then these are from last year when I had those. But how organized does this look? I love it. I also put the extra storage bins from last year under the sink. I'm obsessed with diffusers. I never really knew the purpose of them until I got one last year in my dorm room, and they just smell so good, and they also look so pretty. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere on this bookshelf. We'll play around with these bookshelves, but for sure gonna have this out. Oh, I forgot I have this candle. I got it at the Melrose Flea Market in LA, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Mom, smell this. It smells so good.
Not as good as this one as well.
Oh, I got another one, I forgot. This one are all of my decorations from last year. Aww. This is so cute. I remember all of this. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna unpack some of my clothes and try and organize it all a little bit. I got this when I was moving out, and it comes with this rod, and then you put all of your clothes on here, so it's kind of cool. A little update on the closet. I just kind of organized everything that I'm keeping, and then all of that stuff over there is gonna go home. Okay, so I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. I just kind of finished organizing my closet, but I'm so tired. But we still have a ton to do tomorrow, so I will see you guys then. Hi guys, so it is obviously the next day. So today I have my dad with me. Say hi, Dad.
Hey.
We have a lot to do, so let's get started. If anyone needs command strips, hit me up. Okay, so first sign we're gonna hang up is right over here, I think. A little lower, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna set up my bed and do all of that. Guys, these are literally the best pillowcases of all time. Love these. I'm so excited I found these. I thought I lost them. We're gonna set up these command strips for the bathroom so we can hang like our towels and stuff. I think so. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think. Okay, so right now I think I'm gonna put all my towels in these storage bins and then put them up there. Those also are all of my bath bigger towels, and then these are all like my face towels and stuff. Okay, so we just got the marble for the kitchen table. It looks amazing. I love it. So we're unloading everything for the kitchen right now, and look what I found. The George Foreman grill is back. I used this, no joke, all the time last year to make toast, to make grilled cheeses, to make wraps. Like, I literally use this for everything. So, major essential.
Something fell, right?
Guys, how sick does this look? We just put up this neon sign. It says disco. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Little mood right now. I'm so tired, but we're almost done. I've just been organizing all of my clothes in my closet, which isn't interesting, so I didn't show you guys. But everything is almost done. I'm just waiting for my 2 IKEA desks to get here. We'll set those up, and then of course waiting for like other little decorations. But that's pretty much it. Okay, so it's day 3 of moving. We actually just set up this mirror right here in the living room. We put it over the door, but we only did that because this door right over here connects to the same room, the laundry room. So I just thought it made the room look a little bigger, and now we don't have to see this dark colored door. But anyways, we're just setting up a couple last minute things. My roommate gets here today, so I'm really excited. I hope she likes how everything looks. And yeah, we also just got the IKEA desk, so I think we're gonna set these up right now.
Dad and daughter back at it.
Just finished setting up the desk. They look so good. Once all these boxes are gone, it'll obviously look better. But I think I like how it looks against the window. Also guys, how amazing is this fake succulent that I just got from Amazon? I think it looks really good and kind of just brightens everything up. Okay, so now we're setting up the twinkly lights around the mirror. I think it's gonna look really cute. And this is what the mirror looks like. I think it looks so good.
Hey, who's that?
I think we need something like behind here, so when we take like a picture here, we can no, maybe like a painting or something. I don't know.
Actually, I think it'd be better without anything.
Okay, so it's been a couple days since I last picked up my vlog camera, but I'm officially all moved in. I absolutely love this place, and I'm so freaking excited for this year and for all the college vlogs, and yeah. Also, comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see, or maybe you guys want to see like an apartment tour so you guys can see where everything is from, like more in depth, or you guys can like see, I don't know, just the apartment obviously. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. What is that in your backpack? That you have a boot on, right?
Listen.
She's fine, guys. I know I'm gonna get so many comments about this. That you're making your mom move furniture with the boots. Like, I know. And she said she was fine. Right, Mom?
Fine.
Stop, just joking. Wait, stop.
Maybe you should hold the toolbox. You got the painter's outfit on.